Let's talk about why fad diets don't work and why they keep setting you up for failure. Tell me if this sounds familiar to you. Are you stuck in an endless cycle of fad diets, jumping from keto to fasting to meal replacements, only to end up right back where you started? In the next few minutes, I'm going to break down exactly why fad diets keep you failing and what you need to do instead to finally lose weight for good. And if you want a simple, easy way to break free from fad diets and actually see results, drop the word yes below in the comments and I'll send it right over to you. For those of you that I haven't met yet, I'm TJ and I've lost a lot of weight and had a successful weight loss story myself for years. I've lost over 100 pounds and kept it off through my 40s and my 50s. And now I've helped hundreds of women and men do the same. So if you're tired of jumping from one trendy diet to the next and want a real long-term solution, keep watching. All right, let's talk about why fad diets don't work and why they keep setting you up for failure. Tell me if this sounds familiar to you. You start a new diet, super excited. Maybe it's keto, maybe it's fasting, maybe it's an expensive shake program that promises this time will be different. And at first, it actually works. The scale moves, your jeans fit better, and you think, finally, I found the answer. But then reality hits. One day you're tired, you're stressed out, someone brings donuts to the office, and you think one won't hurt, right? Next thing you know, you're elbow deep in a bag of chips at 10 p.m. wondering what went wrong. And then comes the guilt. Why can't I just have more willpower? Why do I always sabotage myself? Listen, you're not the problem. The fad diets are. Fad diets aren't designed for real life. They're built on extreme restriction, which means they only work as long as you white-knuckle your way through them. The moment life happens, and it will, the diet falls apart, and worse, you end up blaming yourself instead of the diet that failed you. So what really works? Balance. Instead of cutting out carbs, demonizing food, and forcing yourself into an unsustainable plan, you need a structured, nutrition-based approach that fuels your body, keeps you full, and works with your lifestyle. That's exactly what I teach my clients, and that's why they finally break free from the diet roller coaster. If you're ready to stop chasing the latest diet craze and start losing weight in a way that actually lasts, comment yes below. And I'll send you the exact system I use with my clients that has helped them finally break free from fad diets and lose the weight for good.